Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. To get started on this look, I'm first going to apply my Smashbox Photo Finish Light Foundation Primer. Then right over top, I'm going to apply my foundation. This is the Urban Decay All-Nighter Waterproof Longwear Liquid Foundation. This is a full coverage with a matte finish, and the shade I'm currently wearing is 3.25. Then to brighten and add a bit more concealing, I applied the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Chantilly and Custard. Custard is a bit closer to my skin tone. Chantilly is a few shades lighter, so that's going to be for the brightening. I'm going to focus this on the under eye as well as the T-zone. Then to set this, I'm taking my Cover FX setting powder and just placing this right over top to bake. Moving on to bronzing and contour, I'm using the Hoola bronzer from Benefit. This is the perfect matte shade for contouring, but also to give your skin a natural glow. I'm going to first contour my nose, cheekbones, forehead, and jawline. Now taking the e.l.f. brow pomade, I'm going to quickly fill these in as normal to thicken my brow and darken them. They're a bit patchy naturally, so they need a little bit of extra love. Moving on to eyes. I'm first going to prime with my e.l.f. primer on both lids. You can blend this in with your finger or a brush. Then taking the Pure Soiree Diaries eyeshadow palette, I'm going to first take these two shades here. This is shade Gala and Splurge. I'm basically taking an even amount of both and patting this on the lid, corner to corner up to the crease. Then to brighten the brow bone, I'm taking the two lighter shades in Mogul and Private Party. Again, pretty much 50-50, just to get a very neutral, brighter shade to help highlight right under the brow. To add a bit more drama and depth, I'm taking this dark shimmery shade. This is Glitzy. All of the shades I've used so far are matte. However, this one is a shimmery copper tone. And I'm placing this right on the lid close to the lash line. Now taking my favorite mascara, this is the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. This mascara is everything. I'm obsessed with it. I'm going to place this on the top lashes. I don't always put it on the bottom lash. That's completely up to you. Now for highlighter, this is the shade Starburst. I'm going to place this down the bridge of my nose, right to the tip, on the brow bone, Cupid's bow, my lip, and cheekbones. Again, I am using the damp beauty blender to apply this to get a brighter, more pigmented payoff from the highlighter. Then to completely set everything, eyes and face, I'm gonna do a few sprays of the MAC Fix Plus spray again all over. To finish up the makeup, I'm going to pair the NYX Cosmetics Sugar Glass Lip Liner and the Tarte Lip Paint in Bestie. Everything used in this video, as well as discount codes, are listed in the description box, so be sure to check that out for more information. Now you can finish up the look however you would like to do your hair, outfit, and accessories. These are also listed down below. It's a very subtle, put-together look, so if you want to add a bit more drama and darken the look a little bit more, then I would suggest adding falsies and or eyeliner. So that is everything for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I would love to know what your go-to favorite 3 must-have products are right now, so be sure to comment that down below. If you guys enjoy these quick makeup tutorials, be sure to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to make sure you are still subscribed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.